how to replicate any voice using AI, or basically voice cloning or clone any voice. So today we're going to use Jammable, and there is going to be a link in the description below if you want to sign up and try it out for free. Now once you've signed into your account, you want to click on Create button, or the Create button right here. And then you want to click on Audio to Sync, or you want to click on Voices to Convert. And you want to pick a voice. So for example, the target voice that you want to replicate, it could be anything, probably like Donald Trump or Putin or anything. I think they have a very large library of voices available to use. So you can basically pick even rappers, and then select the model, click on continue, and then you basically need to click on add audio to sing. You can either upload a song, choose from the library, record your own voice talking, or use a text-to-speech where you enter a text and select the gender and expressions and accent, and basically let the AI do the work and convert it to use, for example here, 50 Cent's voice. You can also close out of this and use the search bar right here to search for any voice. So for example, Drake, you should be able to find pretty much any voice in here. Click on the voice that you want to use. You can hear samples of the voice if you click on the male version.
To feel your heart beating next to mine.
You can also hear the female version of the same voice.
I don't even wanna go, but not enough.
Then you can create, click on the create button, and then basically just upload or record your audio, or use text-to-speech as well, and just let the AI convert it and output the file or the audio for you to use or download. Now the good thing about this is if you can't find the voice that you're trying to use or the voice that you're trying to replicate, you can click on the create button at the top and then click on train voice. And from here you should be able to upload a sample of the voice that you want to replicate. Click on the upload right here to pick the audio file of the voice that you want to use, or the voice that you want to replicate. You can also drag it and drop it here, and this meter at the bottom should tell you if the audio file is good for the data set duration, or if it's good to use to train the AI. You should always keep it like above recommended, the length of the file in minutes. It should always tell you if it's above recommended. It will let you move to the next stage, but usually keep it between recommended and max, and don't exceed the max limit. Now click on next stage, and it should basically guide you through training the AI on that voice you have uploaded. And then you can use that voice to basically generate audio or songs or content without actually having to train the AI again, because it's already trained, and you can use it as a sample as the other voices available, like right here in the library. And it has a decent pricing compared to other AI tools out there. It goes as low as €2 per month. That's pretty much it for this video. Again, if you want to try it, there's going to be a link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.